Okay, currencies this morning. So Bitcoin, we got that spike and reversal yesterday, but that just hit the top of our target box for this too. I'm now looking for the 3, 4, 5. The 3764 for that lines up perfectly with the 1.0 extension for the A wave and the B to C relationship here. And all that's down at 35.39. I did do a write-up that I posted out this morning on Bitcoin. For those of you that like to position yourselves in the cryptocurrencies as opposed to trade them using leverage, once we get anywhere near a completed 5-wave move into this region, that would be the time to buy Bitcoin on the exchanges and just hold it for the next leg up. And once we've got the first major 5 up, 3 back, we should be able to get a better read on the potential targets to the upside in Bitcoin. So still expecting lower. And if I just flip across to the hourly chart, there is that spike and reversal yesterday. I think that's the one down. And this, unless there's a 1, 2, we've got a 3, 4, and 5, then we get a pullback before we finally let go in Bitcoin. But after a bit more chopping around, I'm expecting to see that. We then need to take out the 61.72 area next.